campaigns. We are asking the government to be accountable and deliver those to the people of Nakuru.
Komiti mar Senate weche mag somo oseyo migawo mar somo ewi mano magi wacho ni ok odewo skunde mag jopuonjre manigi ng'ol. Komiti no dagi yie kod paro mar juogo omenda mag somo kuom jonyuol ma nyithindgi ni kod ng'ol. Komiti no motelne gi Senator Joseph Nyutu ne oromo kod jodito mag somo ewi ler mar kaka itayo migawo mar somo kod midhiero mokwako migawo no. Komiti no wacho ni pod ok obedo maber ne skunde go mapuonjo jopuonjre manigi ng'ol.
Yes, Chair. That's all. My name is Darius Mugaka Uguchu.
This is a matter that we should address. We should move with the times. But we all know that the allocation that has been made generally to the Minister of Education this year, 2023-2024, is actually, they got the lion's share. And so we also saying that the ministry, in its internal allocation, they must also see to it that in their internal allocation that they allocate to these learners with special needs.
They should then have forwarded their proposals to cabinet and see whether they get adopted so that these children receive what is due care. You know, some of the equipments used by these learners with disability are very expensive.
The government of Kenya has taken upon itself to give the lion's share of budget to the Ministry of Education. But with that allocation, we are still hearing a lot of noise, starting with students from the university. They are not getting their money. And then we are having these needy students. They cannot get their money on time. Seriously, it is bothering us. That's why we are here. And I echo what the chairman has said. We need the Ministry of Education to do better than they are doing right now.